Hbar price analysis eyes breakout as bulls challenge key resistance. And what's next? We'll answer those questions and cover the latest Hbar news in today's video. Welcome back to the Crypto Intel channel. If you enjoy staying up to date with everything around Hbar, please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll never miss updates, price predictions, and market analysis. So let's dive in. After a decent recovery from the recent lows, Hbar is now pushing towards the next one of its most closely watched resistance zones. The token has shown consistent buying activity over the last 24 hours, and its price has bounced back, with technical indicators also indicating a favorable trend. This is the same technical challenge that is emphasized in current chart studies. Hbar is nearing the area of resistance that thwarted its previous rally, and the momentum indicators remain bullish. The structure is definitely improving, but a solid breakout is still required for the general trend to turn higher definitively. Analysts note, resistance zone draws market attention. More Crypto Online noted that $0.074 to $0.08 would be the next main support level on the 4-hour chart. The Elliott wave analysis suggests that Hbar is facing resistance during the second wave of a potential third wave pattern. The zone is an important technical area for the ongoing recovery, as there are multiple Fibonacci levels within it. If it can be expected to break above this resistance, the market could move into a larger wave 4 recovery scenario, as per the chart. But is the zone not going to be a hurdle for buyers unless they are able to cross it before another push-up? At present, the analysis is still preliminary. The chart is not indicating a breakout. Rather, it is marking the current resistance band as the level that will set up the next direction. Technical indicators continue improving. The short-term momentum seems to have strengthened on the 30-minute chart of TradingView. Since the recent rebound started, buyers have been dominating the short-term trend as Hbar has made higher highs and higher lows. According to the chart, MACD is still above the zero line, with both the MACD and the signal lines still rising. The histogram is now beginning to level off a bit, but there's still a positive trend. The relative strength index has, meanwhile, risen to approximately 67, which means Hbar is nearing overbought levels, but not at a high enough level to be considered an alert signal. This implies that the buying momentum is still strong, but traders could be alert for any signs of consolidation if there is any pause in trading at the resistance level. Price action supports recovery structure. Meanwhile, the market conditions have also improved in the Brave New Coin market data. Hbar was trading at around $0.074, rising about 3% in the last 24 hours and hitting an intraday high of nearly $0.0747. Buyers absorbed the selling pressure gradually throughout the session, with the price eventually stabilizing, albeit higher than it was at the start of the trading session. Even so, the technical chart outlook is still a positive one, but it is slightly incomplete. Hbar has now returned to a critical resistance level, and the momentum indicators are indicating a bull market. The price action over the short term is still improving, and the momentum indicators are pointing in favor of the buyers, and Hbar has entered a critical resistance zone. Bulls will now be closely monitored to see if they can break out of this range on the higher side, $0.074 to $0.08, to confirm the next leg of the recovery. As of July 4th, 2026, several powerful catalysts continue supporting Hbar's momentum. First, investors are gradually rotating back toward projects with real-world utility. After months of speculative trading and hype-driven narratives, more capital is beginning to flow toward blockchain networks that are already solving real business problems. That's exactly where Hedera continues standing out. Its enterprise-focused approach, predictable transaction costs, fast finality, and governance model make it one of the strongest infrastructure projects in the industry. Second, the ecosystem keeps expanding. Development around real-world asset tokenization continues accelerating. Hashsphere keeps attracting attention as an enterprise-focused private network designed to work alongside Hedera's public infrastructure. Interest in AI integrations, digital identity solutions, and enterprise payment systems also continues growing. None of these developments guarantee an instant price explosion, but together, they continue strengthening the long-term investment case behind Hbar. Another bullish factor is the growing institutional focus on infrastructure blockchain projects. While much of the retail market is still obsessed with short-term price action, more analysts are beginning to highlight the fundamental progress taking place inside the Hedera ecosystem. And historically, institutional attention tends to arrive long before retail investors fully recognize what's happening. Now let's look at the chart. The technical picture continues improving. After several months of consolidation, Hbar has been holding key support levels with increasing confidence. Every pullback is getting bought faster than before. That doesn't mean corrections are over. Far from it. Every healthy bull market needs needs periods of consolidation, but one thing is becoming increasingly obvious. Buyers are starting to take control. RSI on the daily time frame remains in a healthy range. The market is still far from extreme overbought conditions. That leaves plenty of room for additional upside if buying pressure continues building. MACD is also steadily improving. After months of bearish momentum, the indicator continues shifting in favor of the bulls. These kinds of technical changes rarely happen by accident. More often than not, they're early signs that a larger trend reversal may already be underway. Now let's answer the question everyone is asking. How high can HBR realistically go? If buyers can successfully reclaim and hold above the 0.12 to 0.13 range, the market could receive another major technical confirmation that a new bullish trend is developing. Under that scenario, the next upside target would likely be around the $0.15 to $0.17 zone. If the second half of 2026 brings the full-scale altcoin rally many investors are expecting, while enterprise adoption around Hedera continues accelerating, the next major target could extend toward the 0.20 to 0.25 range. Under the most optimistic scenario, your plans, hopes, and expectations are for it. The best and most engaging comment will be featured in the next video. Just a reminder, friends, informational and news videos are posted on the channel every day, so you won't get bored here. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you're always up to date on all the latest news. And if you liked this video, please support me with a like. Your like is my motivation. Thanks to everyone for watching, and see you next time.